Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today I'll be showing you how to use this 2-in-1 industrial garden foot to achieve these gathers. Please, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please watch this video to the end and give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you. Welcome back once again to my channel. Before we get started, let's quickly look at the components of this these 2-in-1 gathering foot for industrial machine. Please note that this is only used for industrial machine. Here we have these two that looks like identical, the screw and the foot itself. These two that looks like identical, they are actually identical when you look at it. The only difference is when you pick it up and feel it. One is thick while one is light. The one that is thick is for thick material, while the one that is light is for light material. This one is for light material while the previous one is for thick material. You need to pay attention to know which one is which. This is the screw. This one is used to attach either of this one to this foot. I'll suggest that you never let it out of this your foot, because if you lose it, this is completely useless. Please note there is 2 holes. The first one is for the screw, while the second one is for the needle. Okay guys, let's couple these for use. Now you grab your foot. When you grab the foot, the first hole is for the nut of the screw, yes, while the other hole is for the needle. Like we all know, you screw it a little bit in. Screw it a little bit in, not so very tight. You have to screw it because you are still going to fix one of those identicals to it. So just screw it a little bit, then you decide whether if it's a light material or a heavy material that you want to gather. Please note that here I'm trying to explain that it's very kind of trickish to know which one is which. The difference is not so there is no much difference. You have to pay a keen attention to be able to sort out the difference. And here I was indecisive of the one to choose. I later settled for the one for the heavy material. So note that there is a curvy part and a flat part you go into. The curvy part should be outside. Then you grab your screwdriver and tighten it in. Tighten it so that it will not unscrew while sewing. Please note that this is a cast. It can get broken if you handle roughly, so don't. Okay, after we are done setting the footer for use, I headed to my sewing machine. I have some settings to do there. You cannot just sit and sew. You need to increase the length of our stitch. Increase it to, you need to have a loose stitch. So I increased the length of my stitches to 5. That's to enable me get what I wanted. I headed over to the tension area. I unscrewed that part. This is the part where I have to unscrew, not tighten them. I unscrewed. I unscrewed. After that, time to change our footer. Here, my sewing machine, I have to change the footer from the regular one we know to this gathering footer. So here I already have a easy chain screw there. I just have to pull it. Once you pull that thing, the footer just comes out. But if your machine still is the way it is, you need a screwdriver to unscrew and before you'll be able to change it. So it's time to sew. It's ready for use now. The material that I'll be using in today's class is bridal satin doll face. That's what I'll be using as a heavy material, doll face. So time to sew. Please, if you've watched my video up to this point, please hit the subscription button. If you've not subscribed, if you're yet to subscribe, hit the subscription button, like and share. Also remember to turn on the notification button. So I sew, as you're seeing it, as I'm sewing is gathering all by itself. I don't have to sew and gather. That's the normal what I've been doing before I got this this gathering footer. I'll have to sew and gather. Did you see the outcome? Oh my god, this is lovely. What a relief. I don't have to sew and drag. Once you are done sewing, it is gathered already. I got value for my money. Okay, now I have to change this footer. I'll change it and get back to you. It is changed now. I've changed it to the light one. I will be using organza to illustrate this part. Organza, yes, that's how light it will be gathered. This is organza fabric. I'll be using it in this one, so I put it. Time to sew. Okay, sewing gently. It's gathering, guys. You don't have to run your stitch and gather. I mean, it's time consuming, yes, I know, but this one you just have to sew once and you've achieved what you want. That's the gathering effect. You sew, as you're sewing, is gathering on its own. Okay, remember that you can control the fullness you want in these two teeth. You can control it. If you want it fuller, you can control it. If you want it to gather much, you can also control it. So this is it, guys. I'm done gathering it. Look at it. Isn't this beautiful? It's lovely. Tell me what you think down on this comment section. Okay guys, here is the final look of what I was able to use this 2-in-1 gathering foot to do, using organza and doll face. Please, I would like to hear from you what you think about these two in the comment section. I already love the two because it's easier for me to gather with. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, like, comment and share. Bye.